Alright, good everyone, it's still your favorite tutor, and today is your favorite tutor on mathematics. Still on algebra, and today we'll be talking about what algebraic terms. Now, algebraic terms, we are talking about a single mathematics expression. Now, this mathematics expression possesses two things, the coefficient and the variable. Now, what we have on the board is examples of what algebraic terms. 3x, 4y, 2p, 8t, w, etc., etc. Now, these are what examples of what algebraic terms. How do we know this? Let's take 3x as a case study. 3x. Now, this is an example of what algebraic terms because it possesses what? A coefficient and a what? Variable. The coefficient is the number that is attached to the letter, while the letter is the what? Variable. The coefficient is the number multiplying the letter or attached to the letter. The letter is the what? Variable. Now, all together is known as what? Algebraic what? Term. Are we good to go? We are good to go. Now, from these examples that we have here, remember the coefficient is the number multiplying the word, the letter, while the letter is the word, the variable. So, in algebraic terms possess what? Two things, the coefficient and the word, variable. Now, from these examples that we have here, we are going to list out the word, the coefficient, and then we'll list out the word, the variable. So, starting from the first one, 3x, what is the coefficient? The coefficient is what? 3. 4y, what is the coefficient? Coefficient is what? 4. 2p, what is the coefficient? The coefficient is what? 2. 8t, what is the coefficient? The coefficient is what? 8. W, what is the coefficient? Alright, the coefficient is what? 1. This is 8. The coefficient here is what? 1. Because there is an invisible 1 here multiplying the what? The letter. Like I said, the coefficient is the number multiplying the what? The letter. While the letter is the what? Variable. So you can see 3 is multiplying x, 4 is multiplying y, 2 is multiplying p, 8 is multiplying t, while right here 1 is multiplying w, because 1 times w is also what? W. Are we good to go? We are good to go. Now, what are the variables? The variable here is what? X. Variable here is what? Y. Variable here is what? P. Variable here is what? T. Variable here is what? W. Are we good to go? We are good to go. Alright, today we'll also be talking about what? The sign rule. Sign rule in what? Mathematics. What are these sign rules? We'll start with the first one. Plus times plus. Plus times plus is known as what? Plus. Now this is the first rule. Plus times minus. Plus times minus is what? Minus. Another one. Minus times plus is also what? Minus. Then minus times minus is equals to what? Plus. Now these are the what? The sign rule for multiplication. Or you can also say positive times what? Positive is positive. Positive times negative is what? Negative. Negative times positive is what? Negative. Negative times negative is what? Positive. This sign rule, we normally use them to simplify, especially expressions on mathematics. So it's best we know them. Now this is also the same for what? Division. So if I put division here, I put division here, I put division here, I put division here, they are what? The same. It will give us the same thing. Is that clear? Yes, sir. Alright, you can put it down, write it down. Okay, let's simplify some expressions and see how far we go. Let us simplify some expressions. Take some examples, simplify the following. All right, the first one, let's say minus 3 times a. All right, second one, let's say minus 2 times minus 2. Number 3, the other one, let's say 4 times minus 3a. 4 minus 8 divided by what? Minus 2, as the case may be. All right, we are going to simplify this. This is equals to, now for a number or a variable standing, it implies that that number or variable is what? Positive. Like for example, what we have here, minus 3 times what? A. It implies, since there is no sign attached to A, it implies that A is what? Positive. A is what? Positive. So therefore, minus times what? Plus is what? Minus. 3 times A is what? 3A. So the simplification of this expression is this. The idea of simplifying is to make it look simple, to reduce it to its what? Lowest form if possible, just to make it look simple. Now what we have here, first of all, we start with the sign. Minus times minus is what? Plus. Then 2 times 2 is what? 4. Okay, let's go further. For 4, remember there's no sign attached to 4. It means that 4 is what? Positive. There's a plus sign here. You should know that. For a number standing on its own, it means that that number or variable is what? Positive. So therefore, positive times negative is what? Negative. 4 times 3a is what? 12a. All right, let's go. Now, this is negative divided by what? Negative is what? Positive. Then 8 divided by what? 2 is what? 4. So these are the simplification of this word expression. Are we good to go? We are good to go. All right, put it down. Put it down. Let's move further. Okay. All right. What we have here is continuation. What we have here is expansion of algebraic expression. Now, expansion is more like open up to, most of the times, to open a bracket, to expand algebraic expression. All right, I have some examples here. We're going to see how this expansion is being taking place. All right, what we have here, expand the following. The first one, 3 in brackets 2a plus 2 Number 2, x in bracket y plus w. While number 3, ab in bracket 2c plus 3. Alright, now to expand this, we are going to open the bracket. Solution. The first one, number 1, 3 bracket what? 2a plus what? 2. Alright, for we to open the bracket, remember, according to BODMAS, the bracket comes first. Now, if we check, see what is in the bracket. 2a plus 2. Remember that they are not like terms because they don't have the same word variables. So we cannot just add them up like that. No. Since we cannot add them up like that, we move out. We are going to use, for us to open this bracket, we are going to use what is outside the bracket to multiply what is inside the bracket to open it. So therefore, 3 is going to multiply 2a and 3 is going to multiply what? 2. So therefore, to open this bracket is going to be what? 3 times what? 2a plus 3 times what? 2. So 3 times 2a is what? 6a plus 3 times 2 is what? 6. Now this is the expansion of this word expression. Are we good to go? We're good to go. Alright, number 2. Number 2 is what? X bracket y plus what? W. So we use x to multiply y. We also use x to multiply what? W. So therefore it's going to be what? X times what? Y plus what? X times what? W. X times y is what? Xy plus x times w is what? Xw. So this is our answer to that what? Expression. Number 3. AB bracket 2c plus what? 3. So therefore AB is going to multiply what is in the bracket. AB times what? 2c plus what? AB times what? 3. AB times 2c is what? 2abc. We arrange it alphabetical. So therefore, plus AB times 3 is what? 3AB. Now, in mathematics, the order of arrangement, number comes first before variable. And the letters must be arranged alphabetically. More like if I say B. More like if I say B times 4. Now, this is not equals to what? Before. This is wrong. B times 4 is what? 4b. Numbers come first before the word letter. And if they are what? More than the letters, the letter must be arranged alphabetically. Like what we have here, A, B, what? C. Alright, are we good to go? We are good to go. Please take this thing down, take it down, put it, and then I'm going to be dropping some assignments and make sure you do it. Alright, these are the assignments. The first one, impute the coefficient in the table below. So we have the terms. What you have to do is to impute the coefficient accordingly. While the second one, okay, the terms here, this is 5x over what? 5x all over what? 7. That's the first one for A, 5x over 7. B, A over what? 2. C, minus 8, minus 8A. D, minus 4Q over what? 5. E, minus W all over what? 3. So we impute the what? Coefficient. While the second one, expand the following. This is 4 in bracket 3x plus y, b, m plus n in brackets minus n, c minus 4p in bracket 3m plus n, d, a minus b in bracket minus 2. So these are the word assignments. Please do it, and you can impute your answer on my comment section. Please don't fail to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notification for all incoming videos. I remain your favorite tutor. God bless you. Thank you very much.